Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will unbox this Titan Stellar Dual Moon Phase Analog Watch and share our first impressions. So let's check it out. I'm so excited to do this because I got a Titan watch for myself after a very long time. I purchased some watches for my wife. Recently got the Raga series 2, but having one for myself, this is really special. So let's unbox this now. So this is the watch, and inside the box we have this registration card, some user manual I think to configure the watch, and this small card. That's all. These are the items we have inside the box. This is the first time I am seeing this watch in person. Usually I'll go to the showroom, check it thoroughly and buy it online or offline. But this time I have to purchase this quickly online. So here it is. This is the watch. I'll remove this tag. So yeah, this is the Titan Stellar analog watch with dual moon phase. We have different color options. This one is the silver dial with brown leather strap. I will share the product link in the description. You can check it out if you are interested. It gives a decent premium feel for a budget price. I got this for around 8,500 rupees. I love this color combination, silver dial and brown leather strap. At the back we have the Titan Stellar branding. I love this brown color strap. At the back they have mentioned genuine leather and 22mm size. Quartz movement, mineral glass, 43mm stainless steel case, 50 meters water resistance, and this Titan watch comes with 24 months warranty. I'm sure some of us, even most of us, started to appreciate and love the Titan watches more after the Made in India a Titan Story series. But I didn't watch the series yet because I wanted to get one and use it for some time before I do that. I shortlisted several Titan watches. One day while browsing their website, I saw this one. I loved the formal premium look of this. The overall design felt appealing, especially this dual moon design. Now let me wear this watch and show you how it looks. These are just our first impressions video after unboxing it. We will share our full thoughts soon. We have more watch related content coming soon. So if you are interested, kindly subscribe to get notified about that. And this is how the watch looks on my hand. My wrist size is around 7 inch and it looks big and comfortable in my hand. I love the way it looks. It looks nice. This dial displays the moon's journey from both the northern and southern hemispheres. We can see the north and south indications here. This will capture the lunar cycle accordingly. We can use this guide from the box to configure this. I'll read this and do it on a dedicated video soon. Now let's test the loom. I will charge this first with a flashlight. Then I'll turn off the light and show it to you. So let's see how it looks in the dark now. Okay. We can see the loom now. We can see which parts in the dial have this loom effect. This is the unboxing and first impressions of Titan Stellar Dual Moon Phase Analog Watch. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.